Hey Glow family, welcome back to Glow Essence. Today I will be sharing a natural, affordable and super effective haircare DIY that's loved worldwide. Homemade flaxseed gel. This magical gel not only defines curls but also nourishes, strengthens and gives your hair that salon-like shine naturally without any chemicals. To make this gel at home, you will need just a few simple ingredients. 1 to 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. These tiny seeds are power packed with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E. 1 cup of water. The base for a gel. Optional add-ins like aloe vera gel, essential oils or vitamin E capsule for extra nourishment and fragrance. Start by adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of flax seeds into a pan. Pour in about 1 cup of water. Now bring this mixture to a boil on medium heat. As the seeds boil, you will notice the water slowly thickening into a gel-like consistency. Keep stirring occasionally to prevent the seeds from sticking to the bottom. Within 7 to 10 minutes, you will see a beautiful slimy gel-like texture forming. This is exactly what we want. Once the gel has reached the right thickness, turn off the heat and strain it immediately while it's still hot. This makes it easier to separate the gel from the seeds. You can use a muslin cloth, a fine strainer, or even a clean cotton handkerchief. Be careful, it's hot. Use a spoon to press and extract all the gel. Now comes the fun part. You can leave it as it is or customize it. Add a teaspoon of aloe vera gel for extra hydration, a few drops of essential oil like lavender or rosemary for fragrance and scalp health, or even 1 vitamin E capsule for that antioxidant boost. Store your flaxseed gel in a clean airtight container. It can last up to 7 to 10 days in the refrigerator. If you want to make a bigger batch, you can freeze small portions in ice cube trays and use them whenever you need. To apply, take a small amount of the gel and smooth it through your damp hair. It works wonders for curly and wavy hair, defining curls beautifully without crunchiness. For straight hair, it acts like a natural serum, taming frizz and adding shine. You can even massage a little into your scalp for nourishment. Here are the top benefits of using homemade flaxseed gel. Defines curls and waves naturally, reduces frizz and dryness, nourishes hair with omega-3 fatty acids, strengthens roots and promotes hair growth. 100% natural, chemical-free and budget-friendly. And that's how you make your very own DIY flaxseed gel at home. It's simple, effective, and your hair will thank you for this natural treat. If you try this recipe, let me know your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Glow Essence, and hit the bell icon for more natural beauty hacks. Until next time, stay glowing and stay natural.